wait on other people to be what you've been called to be. You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just got to run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run, but I can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.
Guess who got their vlogging camera? It's my first. I'm in love, but I'm actually getting ready to make some spicy shrimp and chicken pasta. Oh, and I'm gonna make banana pudding when I'm finished. So I got some of the seasons and stuff here.
The wax, the pens, and all that. I already know. The pens, they only want $25 at the store, but if I buy them, I'm paying what you making.
Show your face, because I'm not showing my face.
Oh, wait a minute, hold up. I was on there. Oh my
This is the
God.
live stream.
No, this is my YouTube channel.
Oh, for real?
Yep.
I ain't know that.
You did. You did, Bear. You just don't be paying me no money.
I probably don't. And you're right. And,
yeah, I know.
Well, then I gotta eat the front of this product since I show my face.
And look, I done walked in here and I didn't even realize that was on there.
Oh yeah, you definitely gotta yeah. Yep. I gotta. I'm gonna taste this. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna see what it tastes like. Look at the aromas. The aromas in here. The aromas is popping. The aromas.
Oh, look at the thing.
Yeah, y'all can't get that. They don't got the smell part. She got the aromas popping, so that's why I'm here. See, world. She cooking. Yeah, there you go. She is cooking. I didn't mean to keep my hair in it. I don't want to get put on fire, but it's alright. My hair always get everything. I be trying to brush my teeth, my hair gets stink. I be eating and drinking, my hair goes to cut. Weird ass cat. What is all in the same pot?
Oh no, I want you to taste the chicken and the shrimp. The noodles should be done. Okay, check it up for me too.
What, the noodles?
Yeah. You know how to check the noodles.
Yeah, they're done. It tastes good. It tastes real good.
Is it spicy?
No.
It's not spicy?
Don't make it spicy.
That's what I was trying to do.
No. It's it. I mean, like.
Is it spicy a little bit?
Yeah, it's spicy a little bit.
Alright.
I got a little spice to it, but I fuck that one. I like spicy shit in there.
You don't like spicy?
What? I hate hot sauce and all that stuff.
We're on the street moving to the city shelters after dark. Can't you have police set on locations for the homeless gather, line everything like that, and still answer the calls? Not without doubling up post units, which means overtime. Overtime again.
MJ. March 2nd. This is March, you guys. Had to leave the salon early After this nasty weather. Yeah. All the lights went out too. Look, one of the spirits dark. Next door dark, we dark, our lights went out. Thanks for picking me up, Ma. What you say though? You said don't call you? She told me don't call her no more. It is a storm out here in March, which is crazy. What you say?
Don't ever ask him to come pick you up in no weather like this. Ever. No. This is crazy. My daughter, I love you, but I can't do that.
So I'm supposed to get home. My car not going ready.
Uber, whoever, somebody, not me.
Why you on the ground? What happened?
Oh, Lord! Jessica!
Huh?
Wait a minute! Oh, my God!
What happened? What's so funny? Child, she done fell out.
Oh, you girl, I ain't got no girl. I'm thinking you watching the video. Oh, but I gotta put my orange down. That was so funny. Oh my God. Ooh.
What is it?
No. Ooh.
What's up, guys? Say no. Whew. So I've been kind of like under the weather. No, I'm getting over a cold. Hopefully it is a cold, but it's yeah, it's been messing me up a little bit. But I'm back, and we're about to go to the casino soon. So yes, we're going early because we're gonna do it the smart way, and I'm gonna tell him. Oh my arm! Hold on. Alright guys, it's literally like the next day. I'm so sorry. I had to wait for my food. And by the time my food came, the prices would be up on the casino or whatever. So I wasn't trying to pay that much. So now we're on our way to the casino, and hopefully they know how to walk away. I don't think Mooney know how to walk away. So if you get 800, we just walking out. All right.
Sure. I'm gonna press it though.
Huh? And Mooney and Melly right here. I got water on my freaking phone. You smoke cigarettes? Oh. This is a cigarette butt on the floor. I mean on the ground right where he at. Alright, finally at the casino. Let's see if we could come out with at least 1,000. One more. Wait for them. I think I'm recording him. I ain't bring my blocking camera because I don't think they was gonna let me in there with it. What is he doing? What'd you say, Mooney?
So I lost my money in my wallet.
Alright, just hope y'all know when to walk away. That's it. Record this. It's pretty. So I don't know what I thought, but They really eating me alive out there. So, and this man looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm gonna try again. I'm talking about knowing how to walk away. I don't think I know how to walk away. I came up, came down, came up, came down. I'm done. I'm at Starbucks eating I know bagel and crap. Alright, let's see. My goodness. So I'm over here charging my phone in the bathroom. I ended up playing again, coming back up. So I lost, and then I won again. So I made more than what I lost, what I played with. So I felt better. But I knew when to not play anymore. After that, I was done. I was just waiting for my brother to leave. So y'all just gonna leave me upstairs at the casino? Why would you think that? Up the casino bathroom.
This is the casino.
You know we wasn't down here all day, was we? Okay then. Okay then. Come on, freaking leave me up there. Oh, all they chips, right? It's red light special. It's cold out here.
I put $100 in the food.
Yeah, I seen people put. I'm like, why did you put all your chips up at one time?
That's how you win.
No, you gotta be smart about it though. The dealer tried to get me to do double. I said no. I don't think so. Gotta get my hand up this way. Did y'all have fun? He said no. You the main person that be going like every weekend though. You know what? The freaking security was like, they kept following me. I'm like, they must think I'm from the freaking MIT blackjack team or something. Cause I'm like, yo, I ain't doing nothing.
You been in my life, that girl. I know love these bitches.
Right.
Come on, back.
Walk into the car.
Bro.
Yeah, I forgot this guy. People don't know what to say out their mouth at that freaking casino. He told me something, yeah, you screwed me, you screwed me. He was talking about the dealers. So I looked back and started laughing. He's like, oh no, I'm not talking about you. I'm like, I know you're not talking about me. He's talking about some, but I wish I was talking about you. Boy, please. I'm working on this one. Alright, so I think I'm going to end this vlog here. But let me tell you the security guard, the lady or whatever at the casino, she was all flirting with my brother, talking about something. What size shoe you wear? I'm like, oh my god, it was funny though. It was funny. No, I was sick. I was sick at first. I was sick because like I was losing and I had to take a break. I guess I was hungry or something. After I had the Starbucks, I started winning. And then I just, I knew not to play again because I'm like, no, I'm not about to be done. dumb about it. Like, I'm be smart. I'm gonna just keep it moving. So, yeah, that's that. And what I was gonna say, I think that's it. I'm not sure. I think that's it. But all right, see you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh shoot.